Check it out. It's a mini bike. Bought this for my wife. For my wife. It looks like it was thrown here from China. You know, what are you gonna do? You know, I inspected it when the guy dropped it off, and the bike itself looked fine. The crate was just a mess, and the box was a joke. But anyway, I'm gonna get this thing out of here. Hopefully, I might have to cut it, but hopefully I can get her out of there and hopefully get her fired up. This is a Massimoto Warrior 200. I've seen this bunch of guys on YouTube have these. So hopefully it'll be cool. I got it in the gray color, and hopefully I can get it built out here before my wife gets home and I can surprise her with it. Let's see what we can do. Check it out. Got it oiled up, gassed up. Gonna give her a yank, and hopefully she'll start up. I'm not one for offering advice on most things, but if you're gonna add oil to this, make sure you do it over one of those cracks in you know, one of the saw cuts in your garage. That way when you spill all the oil, it just goes right down into the crack, and that's more or less a drain. No one really knows where those go. Alright, let's give her a yank and see if she'll start. I haven't started it yet. It's cold. Throttle, throttle. Alright. Okay. Obviously that didn't work. There's a kill switch. I didn't know about it. It was in the off position. Same with the light there. So okay, let's part two. I'm actually surprised how quiet that is. I'm gonna let it warm up. I literally almost just slipped and broke my butt on that. Okay, safety third. I have a proper helmet on order. Alright. That thing rips. I've never ridden one of those before, by the way. Cool. Well, I'm going to take a couple more hot laps. There's no way holding this camera and driving is a good idea for me. This is quick, man. Whoa! No, I definitely shouldn't try that. I shouldn't try that. I'll tighten that later. Look at that. I think I need to put the handlebars up. She rips. We're not going too far. Oh, well, this is not mini bike weather.
Nope. Nope. No.
Nope. Alright, we're back to some good weather today. So I'm out in the garage working, and today I'm going to mess around with this backpack leaf blower. I actually was given this by a guy who couldn't get it running, and I thought, oh, I could probably fix it, and I've kind of messed with it for a while. I've been tuning the carburetor, and more internet research has told me that the carburetor installed on here from the factory is just garbage. They have some fuel saver mode that causes the thing just to never idle right. It bogs down. You can just never get the thing running right. So anyway, for like $18 they sell this whole rebuild kit on Amazon. So filter, spark plug, fuel filter. I don't know if I'm going to do the primer bulb. I might. Fuel lines and a carburetor. So hopefully I can get this swapped out fairly easily. I did something just like this on my old snowblower, and it surprisingly worked well. I was pretty skeptical for a $20 or less, rebuild kit that these things are worth doing. But we'll see. I'll see if I can get it running, and I'm not even going to mess with showing how it bogs down. It's just you start it up, and even the temperature affects it. Like, I could tune it and it would run well, and then after the machine heats up it would lose the tune, and every 10 minutes you end up I'll show you on those two little knobs in there. You mess with this Pac-Man wrench and allegedly tune it up. So I think there must be like a fuel jet or something that they've got in here that also has some weird fuel saver setting that just doesn't let it run properly. So I don't know all the details. All I know is I was about to chuck it into the woods the other day because I couldn't get it running when I needed it. So I'm going to put on a new carb and we'll see if that does it. Old fuel filter, new fuel filter. New carburetor's on. I just got the old spark plug out. This thing's got to be original. I'll put the new one in. Got a new air filter. Making progress. It wasn't too hard to get to the spark plug. I thought I was going to have to pull this whole cage off, but it came right out. What are you guys doing?
We're just trying to do some seeds.
I need to do seeds.
Other seeds? Okay.
Yeah.
Getting
Maybe
ready?
you can help with some of the bigger seeds.
Yeah.
Getting ready for the garden. We'll see about putting them in the greenhouse maybe once they sprout. Okay, I think we're all set here. Got the new air filter on. Here's all the old parts. Definitely that was original. That's all original. I don't think any of that's ever been changed. But yeah, it seems like it's running. So hopefully it'll continue to work just fine, and I won't have any more problems with it. One thing I noticed is the fuel filter originally was kind of curled down and sitting right here, so I made sure I plunked it down here. That was something I noticed. When my fuel level would get to about here, it would start sputtering. So hopefully that helps. But there you have it. There she go. Look at her go. You know, Mom used to have a motorcycle.
Yeah.
She used to be pretty cool. I mean, you know, she's pretty cool still. Is that gonna be you someday?
That's real.
It's real loud.
Oh, look at
Here she comes, there she goes. What would you think?
That was fun.
Yeah. Pretty,
It's a good birthday present.
I was saying that you used to have a motorcycle. What was it, a Ninja 500? This is a little more tame. A little bit cheaper of a thrill. But still very fun. Either way. Looks like we got our seeds started. These all ready to go.
They're all planted.
Alright. Cool. Alright, I think that's it for now. I might be getting a pond this week, so hopefully the next video is going to be pond digging. Alright, see you in the next one. I almost forgot. One more task for my exciting Easter Sunday. Put this guy back. I soaked this 3 times and the water was completely black every time I took it out, so the 3rd time it was a little bit clearer. That was something I never really thought of doing, but it makes sense. I mean, this thing sucks in so much soot. That's pretty much all that was washing off is diesel. Okay, that's all there is to it. Later.